Tui. Hello, Tui. Hello, Tui. Kaka, you want food? I know what you want. Okay, come on. Just give you some. Ah, there you are down there. Hello, big boy. Hello, big boy. Hello, Tui. Come on, big boy. Hello. Whoa. There you are. There's some of my friends. Hello. Hello, Tui. You're not very keen on having the Kaka share. Yeah. Hello. Don't bite my finger. No need to be like that. Well, you are noisy. Come on. Oh. Hello. Come on. Well, there we are. Tui and the Kaka. And some of the Tuis have become very friendly. In fact, I've got a tree I call the talking tree, where the Tuis go. And they look at me through the window while they're sitting in the talking tree. Let's go and see if we can find the talking tree and if there's anyone in it. Well, there's the talking tree, but it's actually got sparrows in it at the moment. But that is right outside my window, and often the Tuis just sit in this tree and they talk to me. And they're not there at the moment, but as per usual, house full of too many things, bicycles everywhere. Let's go back to the calf. Put the lid on the peanuts, not peanuts. Don't give them peanuts. Cashew nuts. Cashew nuts. Only cashew nuts for the Kaka. And there's Wellington, it can't make up its mind what it's going to do. And there's another little Tui, so light. Difficult for this little phone camera to operate.